11 super easy ways to build your reputation. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Antoaneta and I'm so glad you joined me today. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, just click on the subscribe button below to get more information about ways to be successful in life. In my previous video, I talked about how to become the best version of yourself. However, to become the best version of yourself, you need to also build a positive reputation. In today's episode, I'll be focusing on 11 super easy ways to rebuild your reputation. Do people see you the way you see yourself? If your answer is yes, great. But if it's definite no, or you're not sure, I'll be sharing with you some great tips, 11 super easy ways to rebuild your reputation. You agree with me that a great reputation is the most valuable asset anyone who aims for success because it's priceless. Or do people feel that showing concern about what others think about you, it shouldn't bother you? The truth is, other people's opinion about you matters a lot. In fact, in a world full of competitors, a positive reputation can surely make a lot of difference. To help you reshape your reputation, my team and I have put together some deliberate steps to take to get a great reputation. Let's take a quick look at them, shall we? Accept responsibility for your actions. This is the first one. Do you take responsibility for your actions? It is easy to blame others for mistakes or circumstances surrounding you. But until you begin to accept responsibility for every action you take, you can't have a great reputation. Learn to take actions and say words you would be proud of when others hear them. Also, when things eventually go wrong, be sure to face the music with a sincere apology and try to make things work better. I'd like to share with you these 11 ways to build your good reputation, and then stay with me till the end to get your bonus tip to number 12. So, number 1, pay attention. As one aspiring for success, paying attention to details is key. Not paying attention to detail puts your reputation on the line. Paying attention is not just about aiming for perfection, it's about making sure small things or important details are right. This is important in your job and personal life. Number 2, be trustworthy and consistent. When you behave consistently and you can be trusted, your actions can easily become predictable. If you act differently in different settings, your reputation will suffer because people will be bent on sharing only their negative experience with others. Nonetheless, when you remain authentic and trustworthy, you can remain consistent, not giving room for others to destroy your reputation. Number 3, have a sense of urgency. Are you the kind of person who procrastinates or rushes a task when deadlines are very close? If you are, this could damage your reputation. Oftentimes, when we make excuses for failing to meet deadlines, like not having enough time, this also has a negative effect on our work. Be that person who tackles every problem as quickly as they can. Additionally, learn how to manage time effectively. Stop procrastinating now. Number 4, don't compromise your integrity. Integrity is the baseline for any successful individual. However, small acts like jealousy, greed, selfishness, and the likes can make you lose your integrity as well as your reputation slowly. To rebuild your reputation, you need to always do the right thing even when no one is watching or when it's not convenient. Further, do not make promises you can't keep or make deals you can't fulfill. Be fair. Number 5, be patient. Thinking before you act shows your degree of patience. Trust me, this goes a long way in building a positive reputation. I wasn't a patient person at all, but I'm learning, I'm trying to change. Before you act on any decision when you are angry, ask yourself the following questions. Will I be cool with whatever decision I make after the storm? Is this worth it? If your answer is yes, then you can go ahead. On the other hand, if it's no, you should think twice before taking this action. Don't lose your temper. Think before you take any drastic action, or you may end up regretting it sooner or later. It's happened many times in my life, regretting when I say something that I shouldn't say. So really be careful. Think twice before you act. One of the really most important tips that I'm gonna give you is, and something that I'm really proud of that, because if I promise something, I actually do it. So number 6 is stick to your word. And I'm really proud of this because I do that. Are you a man or woman for your words? It may sound obvious, but so many people don't stick to their words. How do you feel when you ask someone to do something and the person disappoints you? Not good, right? This is often the same way people feel when you promise to do something and you don't deliver. On the other hand, if that person had delivered, you would probably think the person to be trustworthy and reliable. You would likely vouch for them if anyone questions the person's integrity, right? Don't say what you can't do. Number 7, strive to be trustworthy. How important is to people to trust you? If you say that you will do something, you need to do it. So this is absolutely must. Be trustworthy. Number 8, help others. The journey towards refurbishing your reputation, rebuilding your reputation starts with you, but it also goes beyond your own advancement. Consider helping others around you. Offer to help your friends, co-workers, family. Be sure to add value to the lives of people around you. This will certainly speak good about you, thereby improving your overall reputation. Let me tell you something. I'm so proud that I actually helped so many people from my country, from my own village, to start their life here in UK. So I always try to help people, and I'm really proud of that because it makes me feel good that I have actually done good things in my life. Number 9, be friendly. This is yet another step most people tend to overlook while trying to build their reputation. You don't necessarily need to do big things to show how nice or friendly you are. Take a genuine interest in people around you. Smile at them. Show them you appreciate their efforts and presence and care about them. This will draw people closer to you so they get to see your positive values. Then sit back and watch your good reputation skyrocket off the roof. Number 8, mind what you say about others. Have you noticed it's easier to say bad things about others than positive things? This generation makes it even easier, but as you already know, this isn't the way to go. Hence, be careful what you say about others so that they don't destroy your own reputation. Go out of your way to make other people look as good as possible. If you have something to say, make sure it's positive or keep it to yourself. The world has enough negative vibes already. Number 9, solve problems. Come up with great ideas to solve problems. Put yourself in the shoes of others and look for possible ways to address issues at hand. Don't hold back the need to help clients, colleagues, friends, strangers or family. Also remember to ask questions to get a clear picture of the situation and challenge assumptions. Solving problems genuinely will give you a sense of value, making people want to associate with you more. So don't give it to your fear for compounding the problem. Number 10, mirror your mentors. And on the last of my list is to mirror your mentors. One of the greatest secrets to success is to mirror people with great reputations. The sort of people you enjoy listening to or talking to can easily leave a footprint for you to follow. Hence, you need to watch those you can call mentors. If they have a damaged reputation, you could end up making the same mistakes they made unknowingly. Read every pure information you see about them. Ask yourself if you really want to become like them, or if they're living the kind of life you aspire to live. If they are not, it is time to find yourself a new mentor. And let's wrap it up. So, thank you for being with me, and now is your bonus. Think reputation, it doesn't matter. Well, think again. Your reputation can either make or mar your success. This is why you need to build your great reputation that can open doors of opportunities for you. I believe there are people in your life who have good reputation that precede them, and they don't have to brag about themselves because others do it for them. Hopefully, with the steps mentioned in this video, you'll be able to rebuild your reputation again. Thanks for hanging out until the end of this video. Stay in touch for my next video. If you are searching for someone to help you recommend expert books, I do online videos as well. Stay informed with more details by kindly clicking on the buttons below. Stay informed with more details by kindly clicking on the subscribe button below. You can do well to also like this video and leave a comment below to encourage my team and I to do more videos. I can't wait to hear from you. So don't forget to check my platform, which is lifestyletipsbyantoaneta.com. There's plenty of blogs, plenty of ebooks, recommended products and books, so you can find a lot, and even my seminars that you can learn how to set up your own business. So till next time, stay green and motivated.